Train to Paradise. The mysteries of the Kandy Railway. Whispers tell of a train journey like no other, one that winds through the heart of Sri Lanka's mountains, carrying more than just passengers. They say the tracks hold secrets, stories that linger in the mist, and a beauty so haunting, it feels otherworldly. Is this a journey to paradise? Or a passage through something unknown? Step aboard the Kandy train, where every turn reveals a new mystery, and every mile takes you closer to an untold story waiting to unfold. Ella Station. The platform cloaked in early morning fog. Locals and travelers silhouetted against the rising sun. Our adventure begins in Ella, a mountain town steeped in serenity and secrets. The station, with its timeless charm, feels like a threshold crossed, and you step into a different world. Locals exchange knowing glances. Travelers clutch their tickets, drawn by an irresistible allure they can't quite explain. The train approaches, its whistle echoing like a call to the unknown. The train pulling in, steam billowing dramatically as passengers prepare to board. What lies ahead on these ancient tracks? Adventure? Discovery? Or something you'll carry with you forever? Inside the train, passengers settling in. Wide open windows, warm sunlight streaming through, vendors offering snacks. Inside, the train feels alive, a symphony of stories and emotions. Backpackers lean out of windows, their laughter carried by the wind. Vendors stroll through, balancing trays of steaming samosas, their voices mingling with the rhythmic clatter of the train. And then, silence falls as the landscape begins to whisper its secrets. Passengers staring out, lost in thought as lush green hills roll by. The enigma of the 9 Arches Bridge. The train crawling across, shrouded in mist. And then, the train slows as it approaches the legendary 9 Arches Bridge. This marvel of engineering rises like a guardian from the mist, a bridge built without steel, using only stone and the hands of men who worked tirelessly under the colonial sun. But this bridge holds more than history. Some say it's haunted by the spirits of those who toiled here, their dreams etched into every arch. Passengers leaning out of windows, their faces lit with awe and a hint of unease. Do you feel it? The weight of stories untold, the echoes of a past that refuses to fade. Crossing the bridge is like stepping through a portal, leaving one world behind and entering another. Tea plantations and local life. Emerald tea fields, workers plucking leaves, the train weaving through the hills. The train snakes through Sri Lanka's iconic tea country, a landscape so serene it feels dreamlike. Generations of workers move gracefully among the leaves, their lives intertwined with the rhythm of the land. The air is thick with the aroma of tea, and something else, something unspoken, like the land itself is trying to tell you a secret. Tea vendor boarding the train, offering a steaming cup to a traveler. Take a sip of tea, and you're not just tasting a drink. You're tasting history, culture, and the labor of countless hands. Every cup carries a story, waiting for you to discover. Golden arrival in Kandy. The train arriving in Kandy, the city glowing in the golden light of sunset. As the train glides into Kandy, the day gives way to twilight, and the city shimmers with life. For most, this is the journey's end. But for those who've ridden the Kandy train, it feels more like a beginning, a spark of inspiration, a call to uncover more of the world's mysteries. Highlights of the journey. Fast-paced cuts of the journey's best moments. The train crossing bridges, misty landscapes, passengers waving, and vibrant local. The Kandy train isn't just a ride. It's an odyssey through breathtaking landscapes, timeless stories, and the mysteries of the human spirit. It's a journey that stays with you long after the tracks end. Traveler leaning out of the train, smiling and waving at the camera. Have you felt the call of the unknown? The urge to explore, to uncover the world's hidden stories. If this journey moved you, don't let it stop here. Tap the like button to show your support. Share this video to inspire others, and subscribe to join us for more adventures like this one. And don't forget to hit the bell icon, so you never miss an extraordinary moment. The journey continues. Are you coming along?